Hi everyone, welcome back to Henry Dance Tutorials. Today we're going to be learning Sweat by Kiss of Life. The music video is not even out yet, but I learned the dance from their YouTube short. This dance is really fun because it's an Afro beat song and there's a lot of really interesting instrument and count. Don't worry, we're going to go through everything slowly. Let's get started. Alright, so today we're going to be learning the chorus of Sweat by Kiss of Life. As I said before, this is an Afrobeat song, so don't worry if you're not getting the moves perfectly because it's not supposed to be perfect. Everyone has their own style in the dance because it's supposed to be like an Afro dance party. We actually start at 7-8, so let's get started. So you move into the formation with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and at 7 you're supposed to be stepping down with your right foot, so pick up your right foot and step it down beside your left foot like this, so a little bit closer. At the same time, because they're singing don't let them see you sweat, so it's supposed to be don't let them. That's the first move. You can see that I am already doing this gesture of having my hands in front of my face, or actually my forehead, and flicking the sweat away. So the first direction is forehead to the left, and that's when you step down with your right foot as well. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. At 7, at the same time, you're supposed to push your hip to the left, kind of having your hip pushed to the left forward a little bit because you're leaning back with your upper body. So after doing 7, you're going to flick your sweat off of your shoulder, chest kind of height to the right. This one, I didn't see them doing a left foot step, so don't do it. Just step with your right and then push your hip to the right after at 8. Let's go from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, you're leaning the opposite of where you push your hip. So you're leaning back a little bit, and remember to tuck your chin, so don't go like this. So tuck your chin in. So after going 7, 8, you're going to step out with your right foot and have your right hand circle your face like this from the right side above your head to the left and bottom, drawing like a circle. At the same time, you're going to have your head lean towards the back of your hand and then until here. So it's like leaning to the left, to the right. And this is 1, 2. You're going to have your right hand point like this on top at the right top corner. So after 7, 8, you're going to go 1, 2. When you hit 2, you're supposed to have your hip twist forward. So this is not just up, down. It's more like a rotation going forward and down. So this is 2, like that. Just hit it. I saw one of them having their hand in front of their kind of a pelvis. So I think this looks nicer than just letting your left hand dangle at the back. It's up to you. Again, there's no perfect or fixed moves for this kind of style of dance. So just 1, 2 or 1, 2. It's completely up to you if you want to put your hand in front. After going 1, 2, you're going to have your left heel back down because you're going to have your hands in front of your pelvis, and you're going to rotate your chest to the front, left, back, right. If you look at yourself from the top, it's a counterclockwise turn. So rotate to the left, back, like that. The accent is to the left, left. When you're doing this rotation, it's pretty natural that your hip is going to follow the rotation. It's the same direction, so don't try to imagine doing it opposite. It's the same counterclockwise direction, but opposite. So when your chest is to the front, your hip is to the back. When your chest is to the left, your hip is to the right. Chest back, hip forward, chest right, hip left. So that's the direction that you're going with 2 rotations. So again, after 1, 2, you're going to go 3, 4. When you're doing the rotation with your chest, you're supposed to be keeping your head tilt to the right because the next move is going to have your head tilt to the left. So stay with your head on the right side. And when you're doing the 3, 4, your hands are supposed to be pulling upwards from your thighs like this. So it's a rotation, rotation with your hands going up like this. At 4 and, you're going to have your hands up like this, open palms facing you with your head tilt to the left and right foot up like this. So this is 3, 4 and. After going 4 and, you have to hit your hands or your palms, not really hitting each other, but do this gesture going in and out. That's 5. And you step down at 5 at the same time. So this is 4 and 5. Let's do it one more time slowly. This is 3, 4 and 5. So after going 4 and 5, you're supposed to have your head tilted right this time and pick up your left foot at 6. So this is 4 and 5, 6. At 6, when you are having your left foot up, you're supposed to be pushing your hip to the back a little bit and stick your chest up as well. So you have this arch back situation because the next move, you have to push it down at 7. So this is 4 and 5, 6. At 7, you have your left foot down and your hand is going to switch. Your right palm is going to face down. Your left palm is going to be in front of your chest. Because at 6, you have your chest up or chest forward. You're supposed to push it in when you step at 7. So this is 6, 7, and 8, and 1. So every time at the end count, you have your back arch, sticking your hip to the back, chest up. This is 7, and 8, and 1. So let's do it one more time slowly. I know this is tricky, especially if you have never done Afro dance before. Let's do it slowly. This is 4 and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1. Let's try to go from the very top slowly. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1. So after going 7 and 8 and 1, at 2, you're going to put your right foot together with your left and bend your knees and go forward with your hands on your knee, kind of 45 to the right. This is 7 and 8 and 1, 2. At 3, you're going to step back up with your right, having your palms up like this on top of your head and stick your hip to the right because we're going to go ta-ta-ta after. So this is 3, and then you wait till and 4 and. There's a slight pause after 3. It's easier if you listen to the music, but for the count, it's really close to 3 and 4 and. I forgot to mention that when you're doing 7 and 8 and 1, you're supposed to go lower, 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 lower. So let's add that as well. This is 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. After going 3 and 4, and, you're supposed to be picking up either your right leg or left leg. But unfortunately, because our weight is on the left, it'll be a little bit harder for people having to pick up their left leg. So I'm going to show you the right leg version. From here, this is and 4 and 5. You're picking up your right foot and doing one of these. I think this is one of their signature moves. It's like ta, 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 like that. It's not going to be super long because you're supposed to step back down at 6 and walk into the next formation. Good news is you repeat this part. So let's do it again slowly. This is 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember that part? So let's do it slowly again from 6, 7. This is 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. After doing 7, 8 for the second time, this is 7, 8. You repeat 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 until 6. Afterwards, it's different. So you repeat everything until 6. Now let's try to go from the very top slowly by my count until the second 6. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. So after doing the second 6, 7, 8, 1, they're completely different. It's a little bit more complicated, so bear with me. This is 6. At 7, you're going to step down your left, but this time having your hands beside your body like this, holding onto your fists, because we're going to push. So this is step push. And when you push down, you can see that my left foot is already coming back up. So just push down your knee or push forward of your knee like this. So this is 6, 7, and. So 7 and like that. So when you step down, don't go forward with your hands. With your hand, it goes backward, forward. So tap, tap like that. It's really hard to do the control, but let's do it slowly again. This is 4 and 5, 6, 7 and. So 7 and. So after going 6, 7 and, you step back down at 8. And when you do the step with your left foot, you rotate your head to the back and also your hip to the back, right, and then rotate this way because we're going to step our right foot down just like that at 1. So this is 6, 7, and 8, 1. So one more time slowly. This is 6, 7, and 8, 1. Because you're going to step with your left forward across to the right this way at 2. At the same time, you're going to hide your left hand behind your back like this, and then having your right hand or fingertip just tap, tap. So 2. So this is 1, 2, and. Just go tap, tap. When you do that, you can see that I'm arching my back and pushing your chest forward like this, kind of like pushing your shoulder forward, and tilt your head to the back a little bit, tap, tap. We're going to repeat this step twice, going right and left. So let's do it one more time slowly from 6. This is 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, and. After going 1, 2, and, we're going to step this way with the left and right and tap, tap at 3, 4, and. So this is 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. So one more time slowly from 6. This is 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. So after doing 4 and, you're going to step feet together with your right like this. At the same time, push your hip to the right side. So this is 4 and 5. At and 6, we're going to cross our hands in front of us at and with your head facing the right. At 6, we're going to pull 2 fists open and look forward. At the same time, push your hip to the left. Let's do one more time slowly from 1, 2, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6. So after going 5 and 6, you're going to step out or tap out, I should say, just tap at 7. At the same time, push your hands out like this, boom, like this. This is 7, and then you'll start stepping at 8 and 1. So this is 5 and 6, 7, 8, and 1. 8 and 1 is right, left, right. Again, hip to the right. There's only 4 more counts. So when you get to 1, you have your hip push to the right. This time, focus more not just pushing to the right, but tilt it up, because we're going to do this thing like a couple of times. So have your hip tilt like this, push like that. At 1, you're going to have your hands pushed or pressed against the side of your head like this. Remember to use your knuckle force, not like this, not like this. Just push it in. So when you push in with your knuckles and also the palm of your hand, you'll naturally have this, like, not hyperextension, but then you get what I mean. It's almost like a crown kind of situation. When you do this, you're facing the right at 1. So the whole thing is boom, like that. So this is 7, 8, and 1. When you hit 1, it's not super sharp, so I was kind of wrong. I was doing like boom, like that, but it's actually 7, 8, and 1. So you still have to do the whole gesture, like really put energy in your body, your arms, and also your hip, but you don't hit everything so sharply. You just go 7, 8, and 1. At 2, you're going to push your hip to the left and 3. So this is 1, 2, and 3. Not super sharp, just go 1, 2, and 3. Your face is going to turn to the front at 3. So hold everything. This is 1, 2, and 3. Like that. You hold your hand gestures. Let's do it one more time, slowly. This is 1, 2, and 3. At 4 and 5, you know the drill. Just right, left, right. No more head turning, nothing. Just go 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5. Let's do one more time, slowly from 7. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5. After doing 4 and 5, left foot, step forward, and walk into the next formation. Now let's try to go from the second 6. So this is 6, 7, and. This is 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6. That's it. We just finished learning the chorus of Sweat by Kiss of Life. Now let's try to go from the very top slowly by my count at around 0.5x the speed. So we start at 7, 8. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6. That's it. We just finished learning the chorus of Sweat by Kiss of Life. Again, this is one of those songs where we can learn the dance before the music video is even launched. I think it's gonna be launched on August 4th. Definitely learn the dance, so when the music video is out, you are ready to dance with the music video. It's a really fun song, Afro beat. Just, again, don't do it perfectly. You don't have to do it perfectly. Just have fun and dance with your friends. Definitely let me know if there's any questions you have about this dance, or if you have any songs you want me to learn and teach in the future videos. Once again, thank you so much for practicing with me. I'll see you in the next one.